weather with Damian Lotus.
Happy Sunday, everyone. It's the first official weekend of summertime, and it is going to look and feel like it. I am tracking record-breaking, possibly dangerous temperatures here as we head throughout the next couple of days. Let's get you ready for the latest here. Start you off with a time lapse, and over the last hour, you can see a little bit more cloud coverage starting to work its way into the Oklahoma City metro. A statewide view of our storm scanner is showing that cloud coverage pretty much right along I-40 off to our west, and even more cloud coverage now is developing across parts of the Texas Panhandle. But for Oklahoma City, we have still plenty of sunshine outside. Temperature-wise, we're already in the low 80s at Will Rogers World Airport. Winds right now are light southerly, about 5 to 10 miles an hour. They will pick up some here as we head into this afternoon. But temperature-wise here across the rest of central Oklahoma, we have a mix of mid to upper 70s to low 80s outside. Currently 81 for Kingfisher and Okarche. Across the rest of the state, we have a mix of 70s and 80s outside. It's already 83 degrees for both Stillwater and Tulsa. So you know it's going to be a hot day here setting up for us. In fact, as you look at my forecast highs versus records, we have 2 days over the next 5 where we could tie, if not set, new record high temperatures, including this afternoon. The record to beat is 101, set way back in 1934. We're talking Dust Bowl 90-year-old temperature records that we could tie, if not break, for today. In addition to that, it looks like Thursday we could tie a record high temperature as well. So record-breaking heat here over the next couple of days. But once again, as we always say, it's not the heat, it's the humidity. So when you factor that in, look at this. A heat advisory is in effect for all of central, northern, and eastern parts of the state as we head into this afternoon. And for today, your adoptable pet, got a good one for you. This is Kylo. Kylo here, he's available for adoption right now from Yukon Animal Control. Let me get this sweet pup right here, a forever home. One thing I want to point out on the pet forecast for today, right around noon, I have a yellow paw, and this afternoon I have some red paws out there, because if you are taking the pets out for a walk, always remember that the pavement is too hot for your hands. It's going to be too hot for their paws, so keep that in mind, because we could see some dangerous heat here as we head into this afternoon. Here's your highs for today. Sunny skies. Winds will be a little bit breezy, but yes, highs will be a mix of 90s and widespread triple-digit heat here for today. Once again, the record to beat for Oklahoma City, 101. My forecast high today, 101. So it does look like we could tie a record high temperature for this afternoon. But when you factor in the humidity, this is what it's actually going to feel like here for today. It'll feel as hot as 107 here as we head into this afternoon. So if you are going to be outdoors, make sure you're taking plenty of breaks in the shade. Make sure you're wearing loose-fitting, light-colored clothing, and please drink plenty of fluids, water specifically, here as we head into this afternoon. And also for this afternoon, I can't rule out the possibility, because of the humidity, because of the temperatures, of a few isolated showers and thunderstorms developing here across central parts of the state and the Oklahoma Panhandle. It's a low chance, but it's not zero here as we head throughout this afternoon and this evening. Before today, it's all about the heat. Tracking highs near records here for this afternoon. It'll feel hotter than that because of that humidity, and it's going to be hot here for pretty much the next couple of days. We'll see a little bit of a break on Tuesday, and then late Tuesday, early Wednesday, that'll be our next good chance of rain here for the Oklahoma City metro. But yeah, pretty much buckle up, because I am tracking hot weather between now to probably the state fair in September. So yes, it's that time of year. So as you've been saying specifically this morning, Caitlin, make sure you stay well hydrated, preferably with water, but it's Sunday, so you never know.
Yes, so
we'll
please
see.
Stay hydrated.